comes to life before your eyes. Tobii Robot Smartwatch has a playful personality, moving robot arms and legs, fun sound effects, and 100+ expressions. Helps kids learn to tell time featuring stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, calendar, reminders, and 50+ watch faces. Games galore. Your favorite smartwatch comes with an augmented reality search and seek game, learning, dance activity game, and more. Has a motion sensor for the built-in pedometer to keep the kids active, healthy, and moving. Playing games unlocks rewards for even more play. 2 cameras. Tobii Robot Smartwatch has 2 built-in cameras that can film video, take selfies, and capture photos. Add cool stickers while editing. Memory storage is 512 megabytes or up to 3640 by 480 pixels photos or 30 minutes of 320 by 240 pixels video. Easy to use. Tobii Robot Smartwatch features a kid-friendly touchscreen, a